Well, Tennessee Titans have shared an update with us on the progress of building that new Nissan Stadium. Peyton Kennedy live at the site on Nashville's East Bank as construction is underway. Peyton, it's a little dark out there, but we are believing you. Construction is underway.
Yeah, I promise you, Blake, it's happening just beyond the fence behind me. Right now, it's looking like a massive pile of dirt as well as a few cranes in the area. The new stadium is also going to be located just steps away from the current Nissan Stadium. New stadium set to be open in 2027. It's going to be the home for the Tennessee Titans as well as football games for Tennessee State University. It's also set to hold concerts and other events, maybe even the Super Bowl one day. The features include a see-through dome, porches with panoramic views of Nashville, and a 12,000 square foot year-round community space. So crews broke ground in late February and they began hauling this dirt in early April. To date, they've removed about 110,000 cubic yards of dirt, so that's enough to fill 50 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The first crane arrived last Friday, and they are now starting to drill the deep foundation support piers. So that's for all of the columns that support the building's structure. We're also told that the current Nissan Stadium will stay standing until the new one is ready to open for business. Live in Nashville, Peyton Kennedy, News 2.